Hi everybody, this is Brenda Merritt Mata, Reverend Brenda Merritt Mata with Holistic Radiance Health Network and Holistic Radiance Health Advocacy and Whole Food Plant-Based No Oil Education and Support. We're looking at the last results of my sprouting batch prep class before I start my schooling. I'm not going to be able to finish the grains portion or the fermentation portion, but I wanted to let you see what these are like. I went ahead and left everything for 5 days, and I'm going to go ahead and leave the lentils for another day or two, but I wanted to give you a look because I won't be back on. These are the lentils. I don't know if you can see how tall they are. They're like mini microgreens now. They grow super easy. Here's the other one for and now if you can see how dense they are, remember I said how much they puff up? So this is only a half cup of lentils, guys. So you can see like they really puff up. So you don't want to put like a cup or 2 cups or anything. And it's interesting to me that mung beans are so much different than when you buy them in the store. They look totally different. And even though they're not very long, they're very, very good. I just had a bunch in my salad yesterday. That's why there's only 1 tray left. I have some in my fridge. These are these aren't French green. These are French green lentils, and these are like a gray-green lentil that I hadn't worked with before. You can see that they didn't really puff up like the green lentils. I'm really liking green lentils and red lentils and black lentils for my sprouts. Not so fond of these. Now, I'm noticing with my garbanzo beans, very interesting to me. I started sprouting them back in February. Had no problem. Piece of cake. For some reason, now that it's hotter, I'm finding black mold and white mold that I have to pick through. So I'm a little leery about these. They don't smell bad, but some of them were moldy. It's interesting to me that these cranberry beans that I really don't have any experience with really didn't do much in that whole 5 days. And I actually haven't cooked my last sprouted cranberry beans. I really don't know what to make with them. I have them in the freezer, so we'll see. And then just to give you an idea, this is where my broccoli sprouts and sulforaphane mix are. And literally all you do to maintain all of these is just rinse them every day, twice a day. I noticed that if I have the incubation lids, these can go once a day, no problem. But you're really gonna want to rinse these twice a day. And you rinse them a few times. Sometimes they smell a little off, but sulforaphane is very strong. So as long as it doesn't smell like bad, it's fine. The strong smell is normal. All right, so from now on, I will not be doing classes or coaching or anything until I say. I'm going to focus on my integrative nutrition 12-pillar model with my 95 professors and 25 business curators and really focus on that for the next 6 months. And I will need 6 people to be clients in October, but I'm sure we'll be interacting before then. Take care.